Welcome to another episode of Iliashi with me, Maggie. And on today's episode, it is very special because we have a legend in the house. And of course, we have my own mom in the house as well. Uncle Frank, welcome to Iliashi.
Thank you. I mean, this is a very exciting, let me take this opportunity of thanking you, Mama Chika Monica. I mean, you don't understand or maybe you don't appreciate the importance of, what you're doing, the value, that you're adding, in terms of morality, no kwafu if you maspana if you onaika, mwafirungisha. Yeah, no, seriously, congratulations.
Thank you, Frank.
Well, and we speak about a lot of things on Iliashi. Today we're going to talk about divorce. Uncle Frank, as of today, what are the divorce rates in Zambia?
It's very sad, being one, a Christian, and two, somebody who has failed, twice. It's a very serious indictment, on a son of a reverend. But I think for me, the major problem is quickly no muntu shiri blow away for life. It's very difficult. The number right now stands at about 20,000.
Oh, wow.
And those numbers are the ones that are documented. So if you're out there Tamulelanda, I think we may be talking about 40,000 or so.
That's
every year in a Christian country. Konaiko.
And I'm very happy that Uncle Frank has been divorced twice. Not that I'm happy about it, but I'm happy that he's in the studio because we're talking about something that has happened to someone. Mama Chika Monica, what do you think are some of the causes of divorce? Of course, Uncle Frank is here. He's going to say if it's true or if it's not true.
Church inefyupo Mzambia filepwa sana. Mulandu wakutila aba umi abakale bali kwetesha nchito. Mwale mwana muli bakaunda nga mwalolesha kwale baba chibombe bombe. Bakaunda bali kwete strategy isuma sana. Makamaka ku mining sector ini. Mula mining sector bale mwana okay inchito moshiri kwale bati baingisha baba chibombe bombe. Bamalaisha badia bakuchisa makopa bonse badia babengisha nchito then balisa panga na ma farm blocks balisa panga national service na kambilombilo kwa kutwala abantu so bashitata kale bali kwete nchito so badia bonse badia bachibombe bombe badia mukubomba mine bale isa mukupa mama naka ngaba upa bale ikala because bale kwate nchito mama no mwa umelefuma chali bafecha wa mama gi umwa umenga lefuma lisa alele tako something nomba lelo ngatu isa lelo makamaka ine 10 years omulandu wako bati inchito tamuli Mzambia kubana baume na chupa sana because takuli mukachano ngasumino kupwa kuli block bigger sponsor buga mama sorry wonse baleka bila ino kweteko kamo that's why mule mnanga ngakana umaume size yakwe ala yakuba kote akwete mpia so ichilengere sana pamagi kuburisha kwa nchito abana baume abengi nga wa pa intercity wala sangati abaume abengi bekalafi so nachileta obusanso mukanga sana mwana wanje elo tenchito yeka ichilerenga sana nabakashana kaina abafula abakashana nabafula baume nabachepa so abale itatu bajenzina batupili abana bashupa bara mukupase fintu shupo fyabeni mama naka nachilenge fyupo kwa.
All right. Uncle Frank, in your times, what would you say led to those two marriages in your life not to work out?
I think it's first, let me say, it's a number of things, Kale, to when you are getting married, kwali ukufunda. For me, a marriage is like a mixed grill. Firiango morelia, pali inkoko, pali chibwabwa, pali kachesha. It's the same thing with marriage. Okay? Mu marriage mulingile walishibo kuipika bwino, wali kufunda, ulaya kuchechi na sex emo ili fyofine fyonse walikwata na mutima usuma but number it's narrowed to two things indalama na sex and the major problem is ichalo chilipa speed kale chalo chali slow na mfelimbi sex yota ile bomba sana uko ma propera shaft ifo kine vale lungisha kwali aba kulungisha nombe fine chili fast ichalo takuli kupembela umunobe ngashala uko kunuma you move on in my case if I speak about my case the first marriage was fantastic. It was not even like a divorce. That is why my first wife is still a friend of mine today. Nalishiba abafyashi, balinjishibe, balishiba abafyashi bandi. Elio, the most important thing, mumfuikishe, umukashwandiro nshila mupa, ali umunandi. The person you are going to live with, former Christian or whatever, that for life, chintu cha ni challenge you, but it is possible, it can happen. Your wife, if is a friend, not a lover here. Love initial chishiwat love chintu inshi because they do chikat. But for a friend, you can.
Yes.
Even if when you talk about sex, now sex is very important. Nga sex nga yapwa. What did mwala ilole shat? Nga munove. There are a lot of things that you can discuss about. So my first marriage there, to England. We lived in England. My wife had a very good job with Zanaco. What you had to equate in a bank here, Subazambi. London.
Okay.
And she had a very good, job. So when I decided to come back home, to come and work for, ZBS, then she decided to remain. One, because she had a good job. My son was just 9 years old. It's easier to get into a good school. So each number one, she must be your friend. He must be your friend. Yeah, number two, yena kwen yali ya shupa kwa lifyo ulunkumbwa. Walimona funga mamona na kaveka. Waewa fye wati. Nyapa pene pali ubuchi. Pali ubuchi. Awa pali ubuchi kanshi na wolimbi. Uchi bumbi. So it's important once afitako balance. Ichimbi chikalamba sana. One of the most important thing ni communication. Munobenga lufyanya kwa bafeka simple way defeka maka just one. It's called sorry. It corrects. Over and above everything. Li pepa mulea muku pepa pa mopa sande mwa pepa mwa fuma kuchechi mwa ya kulika restauranti bantu pa sande mwana kashtali ngiro kwa mkichini yawe kwa hivya kuikasabanya mkichini we shibantu wikele fye ule mwa fya ma whisky ule kapaula pa sande mwana kashtali ngira tushako afumukula po menkopo leo bane kopo mpoto batu wana lefo kulia fimbombo non kwa fumata kwa bane ngombe lefo kulia fimbombo.
Thank you so much, Uncle Frank, for that insight. We're really learning a lot. So when it comes to children, Mama Chika Monica, how greatly are they affected by divorces? Because I feel like we don't talk about how children are affected. We don't talk about how much it affects the children. How much does it affect the children when the two separate?
ponshira asukero eri pushomagi ndefo kuwera ku mashubi ya kiranda ba Frank aya kubati mpolopera no bwino polopera shaft ili ngichirere ngefyupo kupwa pali lero magi ni pamlando akubati ababa kashana tuleitati ba 2 pin na ba Gen Z ababa kashana before tala upwa ala ishwa ma sizes yaba ume yonse kwamba pali size 9 kusafika pali size 200 so time ala isa mkufika mkupwa time wala tontonga nyano bata first imbe settled kai time inafika mwana kashina ngwale ula batinshita inafika bambi ba mukubera mu church emo ayabere ale muneka kanono kunse bati mukati alionaika aya ba praise umulumendo mu church atinashukira mukashi kashi no baba ya yasenda ni mama nonso na papa nonso na mama lekani bantu balaba mayo badienda na masaizi so time alaisa opwe kumulumendo ushaishwa na nguchimo kumulumendo erwafu mafyo mwine kuskulu alefo anakashwa kuikala nango without knowing that uyumu kashana alienda na bashikuru bantu abakote yonsa ma types erkai mwashwa ababa kalamba kwati abena Frank mutule bali ishwe nchito ya suna ka bali sio kuchitando wino ensuna mayando so no ngawai kataka ichaka shifishi bekuse chama bojoint ni mileage kupuisha mama kaili polopera shaft yako la skida
ama grooves yonse hapo wala shela mo
nomba bato ba ma exhaust yonse bato ula yonse so no elo aisa upoku mwa choka tafishi so chile chupota chake kali because ulio mkashana takasumini okuika na size 2 ali mwana mapolopera shaft chashala ala luisha maka yonso kuti afumeko kulia abwerele kulia ala mapolopera shaft ya
Uncle Frank, do you agree with that?
you know what she's saying Machika Monica is true. You see, it depends if you live for Yamuchupo. If you're Balelanda, because Abakashana number, like I said, sex, Nendalama. Okay? The two cannot make a marriage. It's impossible.
That's true.
Okay? Fingi fiava muchupo. You know, fingi. But like I'm saying, they are in a hurry. Okay? And I mean, there's so many incidents we can be very frank, like my name. Kwali bana mwana fie muri marriage umwana abakashibale baba lumiati pick up a first 10,000 before I sleep with you. Alebo mulo manifest then body second.
But it's a marriage.
Yes, if they in the lama. Okay, if they push a chupo. And that is why a lot of men now, they are under stress.
Yeah.
Utiwaiba.
That's true.
To go and please, your wife. When the money finishes, aya. And to make it worse, like I was saying, in the past, you can go to your parents, back to your parents. Okay? But now it's the parents who are even encouraging some young man who I know. Okay, he is married. Okay, he has been going out with a married woman. Okay, and the mother of that married woman is the one who even encourages her that you must go out with that married man because he's the one who has got the money.
Oh wow!
So the culture, the morals are completely gone.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
So ukwisa kubana ya chipsho kubati chishire chitika kubana nga chakubeta bafyashi bonse if you pofya sunkana natkwata sana obwafyo bukalamba gefine balanda ba Franki natkwata obwafyo bukalamba sana muchalo chesu cha Zambia ili abafyashi bakana nephew pona bakwata abana 5 6 ulya mwa umeta kasende bali abana abana eringi bayana nyina mufukisha po magi if you ponga fyapwa abana eringi bayana ba nyina ero kulioko baya bala mkuchula sana nga chakwa tina mayo tashipile takoselenge fitwa baifu ba mama chikamoneka 20 years mu bushimbe muri bu mukamfirwa ka kuposa abana bala posa bambya abana kashi ala baleka abana aba bana mulemo na mu street aba bana mulemo na mu street mulandu wabafyashi kupwishanya kwa fyupo ero nomba umwa umeteka na abana enange fyupo nga fyapo alamba fyo kupepeka ba genzi wamona pabera problem mangi ngatampo kupepeka abakashana ero abakashana bali nemiti mama aba bana besu tukwete muzambia aba bana ono teba iche bakote ala bali limitation shamfapo kwali mutona ufile umo ngasenda fyo mukulu ngaya fye nankwe chapwa nishtaka bwele chapwa Gloria ya ale musendo mulandu wa mitisha shini bale bonfya mule bomona pa Facebook bale yumfa no kuyumfa kubulo mtu yo watchitefi kubule fi watchitefi fida fyonsenge fi bale randa ba flanki akaleta kwali intambi kwali na mamoros kwali kusambirisha abana ifya konka nefita bafuide konka ini abakalamba bali kwakale bale tufunda tifi bala chitefi tabachita ma do's na ma don'ts elo kwali bafeno kutufunda pa reasoning capacity because umuntu ngatakwete reasoning capacity nishakwete ubuntu ichishakota reasoning capacity ni nama so ubu nama tuikalile mu Zambia kubana besu kukula tabule fwaika nabo bipa ilio umulume no mukashi baba mu bunama balekana elo bala bokutila pakati kestu alileta abana bakaele abashifishibe uliomwa umengaya kulioko ayala ya ope uliomwa nakashara mokutwika tute asambirisha abana so ichira isa mukuchitika chimbi magi chakubati uliatato wa Kenya bakashina abana tefyo aba bonse mule mona bale twike fisaka mutaonta mona bashikuru bantu bali kwata abana bali aka bali shire baposa abana ilio bali nefyupo takushishe kwa abana kwali babashikuru bamo bonsunga kuluangwa abana babo mon doctor mon lawyer mon nurse aba bali kana sana ngana bakonka na bati bawo isomo neni ati abo balaba mudala lekeni sansa syabo shinyobula obulanda because the footwa lipitile mukuchula na bamayo bamayo bali sanke ule pakuchitu chiteshani tukule nombo yala uwalengere bamayo basanke ule wala isa mukuli mpia shesu mulekeni ale enda flafine ukwabula wheelchair so efile chitika bashitatanga apondoka ashabana mu nganda ichile isa mukompa pantu takuwa bokuberera ba flank bali akalumendo ko twale kumbwa bonse ile twali genzi nomba apana bakotaka so kwali bo
ndi quite wine we don't push a market chemba malalande
ile bali akalumendo atina nakalumesha bakalera netsaka umekanya tira kuisa nomba apana bakotaka
I'm even better now. I'm like a good wine. It's not
the taste better.
Yeah. Liana kwetu wetu. Mali kumba wetu.
Nale kumbu mami alibika wetu kuma umepita kuisa kaya pisha kwa mbogo nyongo kwa kamane wetu yale kishoku. Vale pitira patali no mapana bakontete no mata so kula batingo ni life mu linaba kashina balume at least mwatontonka nya pono banga na kota fish ka konka po because we finsionse fian kwa testa that's why you munta fido kulole shafe today lelo kula faika walesha na future ngana kula ababa na bakabashana pantu wishi uli suppose kusunga abana bali abana abalekula na wishi bali mutemwa pantu chitemu iko chakwa wishi chali chilapa chitemu iko chakwa nyina mwali chiwecho te so no abana nga ba missing ila because parental care ila faika yonse na ikumanina bali abana nga chakwa bati baya tabonfile ko nechikabira chakwa wishi baya ikulira flafine wishi nyina tashupa umwana kashitashu papa no pene nkotele kunapanga wedding nomba uishinga akotatako asanka ponso dibuga tapale wenge mini kakumana fatama ponso dibuga netorochi kwati dimolo
you know Mama Shikamonika, you see what I've said is very important. I'm very fortunate. I invested in my children. They are all very good friends of mine. I tell some of the young people I meet socially, that it is important to bond Navana. Most of these young men are spending a lot of time away from the children. They can't even help them with homework. There was a story, I don't know how true it is, I saw Lumendo Kunganda, Panganda Pali, Abana Nango. The children were about 5. you know, he could not recognize one of them because he got a Monica Panganda. So someone and he's asking the wife, who is this one? I knew you.
Umwana.
Because Tamoneka Panganda, he can't bond. Chomlela ndatinga chupo chapwa ngabana. Abana echo bayila kumukash kuli nyina. Nyine ubana abana the whole day, the whole week. We have a situation now where children nyina live divorce. Nyina bale go and see your father. But I don't know him. I shiva new side boy nga kwali wa side chick. Uorenda na banyana nomba. Ekwate mwa kule kweni because ekwale fumia love. So there's this connection nomba takuli few po. You know, aba noku, yinoku. Instead, filabalanda muchechi nomba you are one. Naba nani one was in pamo. Nomba mulia mayanda nangu 3 munganda nga mwalekana. The mother maybe nabana, the father alone, or both of you fail to look after the children. They go to auntie and things like that. It's terrible.
Church never flank mwandini. Elo ichochi nefecho tufile chatu achikomaila po sana. Pamlandu wako bati abashtata tawa ishibobu ishibiro moneni. Aba umebafyala fyabana magi. Afyala abana tasangwa na abana ngefiranda ba flank apai. So ichi chitika chakwe bati ala kunchito 6 hours abana nabalala. Tabamwene wish. Ala bwela kunchito ala inuka 17 hours tabwele kungana. Ala pitirira kuri ba Gen Z na ba tupinte ala isabwele 24 hours abana nabalala wamana te so abana basangwa na nyina ero abana bala mona fiance fitika panganda so if you popali yanga fiapwa abana te basumino kuyana wish because bala ishwatu utatu banangu bionse naka subatabapu ichifu aikabashtata ba flank mule eba bashtata na macheche mo muli ichakwe bati abana bala kabiro kuikala na ba wish fatu wale ikala na ba dadi akari batata na fuma kuskulu tumone ama books tumone utaule chitabu ino kuskulu nkesa kuskulu bawisoba yakuli ba head uyu mwana sambira cyane uyu mwana chita cyane pa skulu baisho ba head bala bati uyu mwana litumpa sana pa skulu bawisho befya kula chita educate mwana wino kunganda so wishala kabirwa pali omlandu wa mafunde abana bale kabira mafunde yabawishi. That's why not kwata tuleita abana tama junkie pamlandu wa bashitata bo tukwete bali munno muri ino inkulo yaba na beso tuleitati ba Gen Z nipa tulebe tati ba Gen Z tabakwete bakachema ni bana ni ba flanki bashitata so kachema alafu ikamunganda mwabulira fe kachema ni shtapali inena la ibukisha magi inena liisunga for good 20 last born uli ashere na 2 months ishwa dadi bako bafule mu accident uyo ni doctor paso nomba ichalengero kuti nsungi abana bonse 6 kwali yali amafawo babika kuloka kunchito ino bandetero okusambira kumona kwena kwali bagoino nambo kubelenga na sasa ngenkalata bali lembe nkalata advice to my wife taba ishwe no kushwete balaba umebakafwa but bali shire nkalata yo bale mbere mukashi wandi wika in case of unafira pakati kanshira wika tala uchita ama business ya outside ufire okuchita local businesses so that ukasambirisha abana bantu yakula yonka mubana make sure nga fitumbu atantika ngani tute ocha ichikankalo le mona abana bafuma ku skulu ule monole chitamoni tefye bare chita and for sure abana bandi bali sambe bali shire muri amwe muloka mwali ama books ya 3 ya kwa achana Ben Carson ili ne buku akweteli yali ama books ili buku na kwa 20 years ya kwa Ben abashireni ba wish if you saw ya Carson na bamka banyina bakwa Ben Carson na soya Carson efyo basungiri abana bali mona ine med tabansunga bwino ko basungu abana bandemo bakapite momona ka so bale making sure kutira abana basambirire ero ngakwali ichikopo last mcha Ben Carson but lero ni chani lero ni nani ni say John.
Yeah, he's a surgeon.
He was separate my twins.
Yeah.
Yes.
He was even a minister of health or education, one of the governments in America.
Because of Manina, Mama Naka, if you're not even she so Narikushava, na so 6, Bakwatama 6 points. Erobana Baba Tonga, Kamaisha Tonga, Vanes, Katushin and Ingombe. Chilengo kulwasa na mabisi amano bali buta kuma brain mama 6 points so if you saw vashtata mzambia bafile bale making sure tila bale ikala munabana pamayanda twidalilira lyonse government yo government eyalenga wakana abakashi ero nomba waposa abana futi abana nga baona ikatini government we feta file tufile twambila kumishila ku root cause change evidence samkulanda government Muzambia bafile baikala panshi bafile babwerera ku drawing board baikala panshi baisana kushe chishirere ngabano kulabeta majanki ngabafaya cause zero bafa nomba solution singefibalela ndaba flank at divorce na ifra 60,000
singamwalunda pona balaba shili documented kuti Africa kwena
kuti Africa fena na 100
mu Christian na country
so ichalo choturei that Christian nation tamufilo kula chitikefya hivi ichupo tempia bana mayo na bena ichupo tempia ichupo te fiuma ichupo te finch ichupo nileso wachibikireko ilio Adam na Eva bali mwibala lya Eden tamwali motoka muri amagi tamwali mansion muri tamwali mwali fie chupo tamwali nature fuale chisuma magi.
I know we're running out of time, but if you have kwena mwalanda it's very important to really be committed ku kuwana even if you have that ushitafe plant abana konse naba gashita baishiba only pa funeral waisa monani shwalilanda a wife has said very good things about the husband umlume wandita trekala bwino nabana bandia ero baisa moneka nomba pa funeral kakamuka mukali kashika kakali fita tonze tulebati ekalelira na sana so the wife looks at
speech bamukamfuna ku Riverside uko pabeot after bale speech bayi balande ku cemetery ka abakashi elo bayisa na 4 abasuma beka elo bayisa balerira na nyina colored elo bayingira bana mukamfiro ale daddy elo nomba anti wabo ayateperesha nomba cyabo twalishi bayifuati ba brother bali fieri abana ukwisa abula fiyo kule Paula bayi manoku imatina leko okulira bana musamba
pachiro pali fotumai
baya na musamba baya fuala na legging baya fuala na legging baisa ikala mlemle chimu kamfiro ukufuma lelo line na inena la upokuli uri boyfriend na kwete kai tachimone kabwinwe chakwati we muaume bekeni niele ba flank umulandi wanshita ba flank imwe depera example kulimo apana mkulai namkwataba abana bakalamba abapusha maschools imwe ngamwa upaka icherero kadiaka iche kambo kufyala abana I government nani kane twakwata law ya Mzambia iya law twakwata iya pabana ninshi yonse mo properties omukwete imwe ba flank ta abana benu bali abakuta bakakwate ko share ikesa kuri tutu nono tukakwata benefit
wife yadira ka grandchild
uti kuri tatu ni ofiere wafyala be shikuru pachalo
my late cousin may you rest in peace I say initially kuma 60 aisa fyala ka mwana nomba kali about 5 years akatwala ku school no, don't ever take me to school or pick me up from school. My friends are saying, is that your great-grandfather? They're saying, your great-grandfather of mine. Don't ever come and pick me up. Usually, if you are little...
confusions pafililo abantu balelo shaba ku church nabesa ero badumukira nabana bandi
mwanda nishwa bati you've got 4 children twice tumbi 10
ero nomba tumbi twafumi no kuba milangu 5
bali to my say na tumbi amezo kwa Chinese yonse wentu walipitana kuma Chinese.
We are not going to stop. We are not going to stop. We can go on and on. Thank you so much. It's been lovely having you around with us on Iliashi. From me, Maggie, Uncle Frank, and Mama Chika Monica. See you on another episode.